Okay, what is this? Frank, you're in my way.
It might have something. It's got like a white thing. Maybe that's why you wouldn't want to mess with
Well, it better get the hell out of my trail.
it.
We're observing. We don't know what. It's got to be a snake all coiled up. We think. Frank, please. They're supposed to be aggressive. If it's a moccasin.
A pair of underwear.
Huh?
A pair of underwear.
A pair of underwear?
Huh?
Yeah.
It is.
It is not. Frank!
It's jockey shorts.
Yeah, right.
It is.
Well, who would put jockey shorts there?
I don't know, but it ain't a snake.
You gotta be kidding me. But it looked different from the first time I saw
see
it.
this white stuff.
Say it. I got a snake stick.
I got a snake stick.
Oh my God! Ah, what is it?
It's an underwear snake.
What do you think it is?
That's what I told you it
A
is.
ripped up pair of underwear. Oh, that's strange. Holy cow.
I'm a hero. I got it.
I wish I would have got when you first started saying it would look like underwear. We were afraid of that. Holy cow.
Put the underwear.
I don't know. Get it out of here. Why did it wind up there?
I
I don't want it near me.
It's all raggedy.
Yeah, put it over by the road or something. Or in the trash can. Take it back and put it in the trash can.
Let's go back.
He's a hero. Oh, God.